Thank you for your interest in NuVue's Spring Up Greenhouse. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your greenhouse. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Remove the greenhouse from the zippered storage bag. Step 2. Remove the strap and undo the plastic latches that hold the greenhouse closed. Step 3. Place the greenhouse on the ground and it will spring up and open to full size. Step 4. With a rubber mallet, hammer the 2 ground spikes through the NuVue Materials tab at the bottom of the greenhouse. The ground spikes should be installed at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Step 5. The NuVue greenhouse has a built-in roll-up window to allow for temperature control during hot days and allow for easy watering. Simply roll up the cover and tie the loose ties in a bow tie to secure the window in place. Roll down again when the temperature drops. Step 6. The Spring Up greenhouse has a zippered top to allow for easy access when watering or caring for the plants. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 2 ground spikes, securing the greenhouse to the ground. Step 2. Push the top of the greenhouse so that it lays flat. Step 3. Place the supplied band around the greenhouse and latch the plastic tabs to hold it closed. Step 4. Store in a dry place until next use.